What's your emergency?
Yeah, my name is Josh Poor, and my emergency is that you know me, and she's so soft now. Every time we cut in your town, we smoke dope, bitch, yeah, we smoke on the pound. We got choppers, and I swear that's so loud. You said we cut in your town. Full of Ferrari so loud. All the bad bitches be going wild. You know I got 911 on down. They be like, Balo, it's so loud. Is it cause we smoke so much loud? We ain't going out. Balo, yeah, Josh 4, 911, what's good? I'm fucked up, nigga.
I don't know what that means, but okay.